Introducing Soft Body Painter, the easiest way to paint soft body simulations directly inside Blender. Whether you're working on any flexible surface, Soft Body Painter gives you full control visually and interactively. No more tedious vertex group editing. Just select your object. Click Select Simulation Area. Then paint directly on your mesh to define the simulation zone. Tweak advanced soft body settings with ease. Adjust stiffness, damping, bending resistance, and even collision options all from one compact panel. Once you're happy with your painted zone, simply click Apply and press play to watch your simulation come to life. You can also weld points to the original mesh for anchored effects and even toggle self-collision, face, or edge collisions for detailed interactions. Soft Body Painter is designed to speed up your workflow while giving you artistic freedom and precise control. Available now on Blender Market, unlock a new level of soft body animation.